In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange your main menu and hide pages in Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tidy up your site's navigation so visitors can find what they need quickly, and how to keep certain pages out of the menu without removing them from your site. First, open the Pages panel. Click the Pages icon on the left side of the Wix editor. It looks like a small stack of rectangles. This panel lists every page on your site and mirrors the order your visitors see in the main menu. It's the control center for your navigation. Next, rearrange your menu with a simple drag and drop. Click a page name, hold your mouse, and drag it up or down the list. Watch for the thin placement line that appears to show exactly where the page will land. Release to drop it in place. Your site's main menu updates to match this new order, so put your most important pages near the top to help visitors get to key content faster. On most templates, this order also syncs with your mobile menu, so you only have to organize it once. If you change your mind, just drag again until everything feels right. Now, let's hide a page from the menu. Hover your mouse over the page you want to hide in the list. As you hover, quick action icons appear to the right of the page name, confirming you're targeting the correct item. Open the More Actions menu by clicking the three dots that appear. This keeps everything streamlined and lets you adjust visibility without leaving the Pages panel. Choose Hide from Menu. The page will immediately disappear from your site's navigation, but it isn't deleted and it isn't blocked. The page remains live and can still be visited through direct links, buttons, or any internal links you've set up. This is perfect for pages like landing pages, thank you pages, or content meant for a specific audience that you don't want cluttering the main menu. Remember, hiding a page affects visibility in the menu only. It does not restrict access or remove the page from your site. If you ever want it visible again, you can return to the same spot and reverse the change. That's it. Click the Pages icon to open your list, drag and drop to reorder your menu, hover the page you want to adjust. Open the three-dot menu and select Hide from Menu. With these quick moves, your navigation stays clean, intuitive, and focused on what matters most.